Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to understand here one of the important concept in chemistry, that is a normality. So first of all we understand here what is meant by normality. Normality means number of gram equivalent of a solute present in 1 liter of solution. Means it is a number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 liter of solution. In simple words, normality tells us how many reactive units are present in a solution. Means in a simple word, what is the meaning of normality? Normality tells us how many reactive units are present in a solution. Here normality, we can see here formula to for normality, that is normality is represented by capital N is equal to number of equivalents divided by volume of solution in liters. So formula for normality is equal to number of equivalents divided by volume of solution in liters. But here we see another formula, that is a simple tricky formula for normality. Normality is equal to molarity into n factor. Molarity into n factor. So what is n factor? We must know molarity, but what is n factor? N factor depends on type of substance. N factor depends on type of substance. Means suppose acid is there, so n factor is number of replaceable hydrogen for acid. If base is there, what is n factor? N factor means number of replaceable OH minus ions. And suppose redox reactions are there, what is n factor? N factor means number of electrons lost or gain. Now we understand this concept step by step, starting from acids. First of all, we remember this formula, normality is equal to molarity into n factor. Now we see for acids, as we know that for acids n factor means number of replaceable hydrogen ions. N factor means number of replaceable hydrogen ions. So we understand this with the help of example, that is HCl. In the HCl, only one hydrogen is replaceable, that's why n factor is 1 for HCl. In H2SO4, two hydrogen atoms are replaceable, that's why n factor is 2. So in this way we can understand n factor. Now we see here example. Suppose we take here 3 molar H2SO4 solution and we have to calculate here the normality of that solution. How we can calculate normality of a 3 molar H2SO4 solution? As we know the formula, first of all we must know what is the molarity of the solution. Molarity of a H2SO4 solution is 3 molar. And what is the n factor? N factor means number of replaceable hydrogens. Here number of replaceable hydrogens are 2, that's why n factor is 2. Now we take this formula, normality is equal to molarity into n factor. Normality is equal to molarity into n factor. What is the molarity? Molarity is 3. Molarity is 3. What is the n factor? N factor is 2. So n factor is 2. 3 into 2 means 6 normal. So 3 molar solution H2SO4 having normality 6 normal. Now we take another example to understand this concept of acid normality. See this example. In this example, we have to find out normality of 0.5 molar HCl solution. We have to find out normality of 0.5 molar HCl solution. How we can find out normality of that solution? See that. What is the molarity of that solution? That is a 0.5 molar. And what is the n factor? N factor means number of replaceable hydrogen. So here only one hydrogen is there, that's why n factor is 1. Now we calculate here normality of that solution. Normality is equal to molarity into n factor. What is the molarity? Molarity is 0.5. And what is the n factor? N factor is 1. So 0.5 into 1 means 0.5 normal. So this solution is 0.5 normal. Now we understand this concept for bases. First of all, we know n factor for bases. For bases, number of replaceable OH minus ions is a n factor for bases. Number of replaceable OH minus is a n factor for the bases. To understand this, we take here example. For example, NaOH. In NaOH, only one OH minus ion is there, That's why n factor is 1. In calcium hydroxide CaOH2, here two OH minus ions are replaceable. That's why n factor is 2. So in this way we understand n factor for bases. Now we understand calculation of normality of base solution. First of all, we take here example of 2 molar NaOH solution. When we see this 2 molar NaOH solution, we have to find out normality of that solution. How we can find out normality of that solution? First of all, we must know molarity of that solution. Molarity of the solution is 2. Now what is n factor? N factor means number of replaceable OH minus ion. Here n factor is 1, means only one OH minus ion is present. That's why n factor is 1. So normality is equal to molarity into n factor. Molarity is 2. And what is n factor? N factor is 1. 2 into 1 means 2 normal is a normality of that solution. Now we take here another example of base. Find normality of 2 molar AlOH3 solution. If we see this solution, what is the molarity of that solution? 2. Molarity of that solution is 2. What is the n factor? N factor is 3. N factor is 3. Now we calculate here normality of that solution. Normality is equal to molarity into n factor. Molarity is 2 and n factor is 3. So 3 into 2, 6 normal. So this is a normality of the solution. Now we see here another point, calculation of normality of redox reactions. Suppose we take here redox reactions. For redox reaction, what is the n factor? N factor means number of electron lost or gained. Number of electrons lost or gained. Consider example, suppose this is Fe2 plus and this Fe2 plus is converted into Fe3 plus, means here one electron is lost by Fe2 plus. So here n factor is 1. In this way we can calculate the normality of the solution by considering the two cases, that is molarity and n factor. If this video help you to understand normality concept easily, then like, share and subscribe for the channel for more chemistry lessons. Thanks for watching. Thank you.